Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Watch 4 active, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the control panel or quick panel. And on this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like this, like the mode icon. This is the Do Not Disturb mode icon, and if you want to enable the mode, simply tap on this icon, then tap on the check mark, and the mode will be enabled. You can tell by this icon at the top of the watch face, or you can open the control panel and you should see that the icon changed the color, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And if you want to disable it, open the quick panel, tap on the icon, it will change the color back to gray, and the icon from the watch face will disappear, which indicates that the mode is disabled. You can also do this through settings. So if we press the crown button to open the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, we can find the option called, I believe, sounds and vibration. And here we can scroll down and find the Do Not Disturb. You can tap on it, and here we can enable it or disable it by tapping on the switch. And another thing we can do is to make a schedule for it. So if you want your Do Not Disturb mode turn on automatically and turn off automatically according to your schedule, you can do that. And then you can find the scheduled option, and here you can enable or disable the pre-existing one already. You can tap on it to edit it, I believe. Yes, we can basically change the time. We can tap on start and customize it. So basically you can change the hour, minutes, and AM and PM. Then we can tap on end and do the same, like that. And then we can tap on repeat and select the days on which the alarm should repeat. So for example, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, like that. And once you're done, you can tap on OK to save it. You can also have multiple schedules if you want to. You can add another one by tapping on add time, set the start time, end time, and repeat option to your liking. And then tap on OK. And again, you can enable it or disable it. And once you're done, you can go back to watch face by pressing the crown button. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.